India has been hit doubly hard with tariffs by the United States. Donald Trump signed an executive order placing an extra 25% tariffs on India to come into force in 3 weeks' time as punishment for buying Russian oil. And this is on top of the 25% tariffs that come into force today. It brings relations between the two countries to a new low, despite the good relationship Trump has had with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. India has described the move as extremely unfortunate. And for more on this, we can go to France 24's New Delhi correspondent Navodita Kumari. Good morning, Navodita. Has Narendra Modi's government been taken by surprise by Donald Trump's latest move?
Good morning to you too. Definitely surprised, but not so much, because the way there were statements coming, it was expected, because when he first announced a tariff of 25% on Indian imports to the US, Trump also mentioned an unspecified penalties for buying Russian oil. So now this is what he meant. There is an additional 25% tariff which will be levied on Indian imports in 3 weeks' time for now. And Indian authorities were very quick to respond, but basically and essentially repeating what they have already said, that these actions, quote, are unjustified, unfair and unreasonable, unquote. And they also said that this so-called punishment for buying Russian oil is because India needs to ensure the security and energy security for its 1.4 billion people. And these oil imports are based on market factors. Indian authorities also said that they will take all necessary actions to protect India's national interest. It's also important to mention here that this gives, because the additional tariff will come into effect on August 27th, this gives India a 3-week window, which also coincides with what we are hearing, that Trump is expected to have a meeting with President Putin as well as with President Zelensky. And whether this meeting will have any positive outcome, which President Trump is looking for, that is a close to the Russian-Ukrainian war. And will it mean that if there is a positive outcome, will he cancel out this additional tariff? Reporters asked Mr. Trump this question on Wednesday, and responding to that, he said, we will determine that later. So there is a little hope, but as of now, India-US ties have definitely are going through the lowest phase, which has been built over decades and was shining quite well until a few weeks earlier, but suddenly has now plunged to a new low.
And what is the effect likely to be on India's economy, which of course does rely heavily on oil imports?
Yeah, right now, it's the question about what impact will it have on the exports India is doing to the US. So it will have impact on labor-intensive, job-creating sectors like textile, apparels, jewels, jewelry, and auto parts, and which will see these sectors will see a significant job loss. Some companies manufacturing apparels have already halted their manufacturing bound to US. And for the GDP, when we are talking about the GDP, Indian export goods represent 20% going to the US. That is 2% of the GDP. And we are talking about $87 billion worth trade with the US. So this is what will be going to be affected. We don't know as of yet, because the government of India has said that they are not going to halt Russian oil purchase as of now. But there is another domestic pressure building up on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, to whether the government is going to take reciprocal action on the US, and B, to diversify its exports to other friendly countries like the UK, with which it has recently signed a free trade agreement, and also other European Union countries. So we will have to wait for President Trump's meeting with President Putin and Zelensky to see if they have any positive outcomes. But as of now, India is under pressure to take, maybe if this additional tariff does not is under negotiation and reconsideration, it might think of a retaliatory action against the US.
Thank you very much for that, Navadita Kumari in New Delhi.